Can't find your keys anywhere? Relax. They're tagged. Galaxy SmartTag2 knows how to find them. First things first, take your SmartTag2 out of the box and peel off the battery film to get it working. Tap the Add button to pair it with your device. It'll be quick. Alright, now let's actually start looking for those keys. Great! They're at home! Tap More, and then tap Search Nearby. Move around to get a better signal. Just follow the arrow. Getting closer? Nice job! Let's try ringing the alarm. Oh, there they are! Find with ease, save precious time. Control IoT devices with a simple click. Galaxy SmartTag2. Oh no! You've lost your suitcase! Luggage lost in the shuffle? Relax. It's tagged. Galaxy SmartTag2 knows how to find it. First, open up the SmartThings app. Now, select your Galaxy SmartTag2. Check its connection status and tap View Map. Once again, let's start by locating it on the map. Oh, it's nearby. This time, let's check the location history. You can trace the path and location of your Galaxy SmartTag2. No more worrying about losing your suitcase. Keep your suitcase with you wherever you go. Easily find it by ringing it in lost mode. Galaxy SmartTag2. Worried about your new bike? Relax, it's tagged. Galaxy SmartTag2 is on guard. You've got this. First, open up the SmartThings app. Tap the Devices menu and select your Galaxy SmartTag2. Check its connection status and then tap View Map. Now, tap More and turn on the Notify When Left Behind option. You'll get a notification if your bike moves away, so you can leave your worries behind. Galaxy SmartTag2 is IP67 resistant, and it has you covered with a 500-day battery life. Galaxy SmartTag2.